15 आनी 16 ऑक्टोबराक गोंयांत ब्रिक्स परिशद जावपाची आसा। ह्या फाटभुंयेर वेगवेगळी उदरगत सरकार दर वाठारांत करपाक लागला। मात दाबोळी विमानतळा लागसार आशिल्ले शौचालय पर्यटकां मुखार गोंयचें वायट चित्र उबें करतात। ह्या शौचालयांचो गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकांच्या नदरे मुखार वायट छाप जावं येता म्हूण विमानतळाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी बेगिना बेगीन हाचेर उपाय काडचो अशें आवाहन वास्को, कुठ्ठाळे आनी दाबोळेच्या आमदारांनी केलां। तशेंच सरकारा कडसून जाय जाल्यार मदत करपाची तयारी मंत्री मिलिंद नायक हांणी दाखयल्या। RDX खातीर दाबोळच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Obviously, to see the toilet block is an eyesore, and especially because of bricks, they should have done something. Immediately, the airport authorities, if they can't shift it, they should consider doing something, sort of having a facade, even if it is artificial, wherein it looks good. That good feeling should be there. It should not look like a toilet. Now, so many things can be done architecturally, with interiors and with good exteriors. So they should think of doing something immediately.
म्हाका दिसता थंय MLA मोविन गुदुनोवाक लागता बरोबर ऑपोजिट एअरपोर्टाच्या कोणा खातीर केला तें खबर ना। हांवें केन्ना बारीकशें नोटीस करूं ना, पूण ते टॉयलेट सगळे आहा ते थंय आसचे ना लोकांचे अशें दिसता। आतां तेका कितें आहा ते कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीन थंयसरल्या एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टरान बी तेचेर कितें तरी उपाय काडूंक जावो। सरकार म्हणून कितें करूंक शकता जाल्यार हांव सरकाराच्या वाटेन हो विषय तेचे कडेन ताका आपूण उलोवंक शकता, तेणी कितें तरी मुवमेंट करपाक जाय तेचे खातीर अशें म्हाका दिसता इमिडिएटली।
This toilet is maintained by the airport, and at the same time I was told that there is a lot of pollution around the toilet. So I would request the airport authorities either to close that, since this toilet is along the main road. I think that there should be no toilets along the main road, and a proper well-maintained toilet could be provided, because now we'll have the dignitaries coming in, and they will land at the airport. From the airport they will be coming into our state where the summit is going to happen. So they say first impressions are lasting impressions, and therefore I think the first impression of the goer that they will see as they come out of the airport is very important.
We are having the BRICS summit now in Goa, and Goa is showcased everywhere all over the world. The full land toilet banle, they actually toilets लोग यूज करना, ड्राइवर यूज करना, ते लेकिन बाहेर यूज करते। I देखून पर्सनली चोयला। आता लेकिन एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी should build some more public friendly toilets. लेकिन maybe sideways थिंगा जागो उभा थिंगा। आणि एक म्हटल्या एअरपोर्टार एक फॅसिलिटी आसपाक जाय। आता थिंगा 500 टॅक्सी आहे, but those drivers have got no place for urinals. They've got place, but it should be properly identified and a proper location. This site is very bad, so I think some measures have to be taken. Other measures will be done.